Hi, I'm here and I am making some chili and I'm gonna put some sausage and ground beef here. So the first thing I do is soak the beans overnight. I have pinto beans, Peruvian beans, and kidney beans in here. You soak them overnight and then in the morning you rinse them, wash them, and then put them to your crock pot. I'm putting mine on low. So it's just beans, water. I added the following. I added some granulated garlic, some ground cumin, Himalayan salt, picante sauce, a whole can. This one is about 3/4 of it, and then one whole big can of Rotel diced tomatoes and green chilies, the whole box of the beefy onion soup from Lipton. I use both packets, and I sprinkle some Tabasco and some powder onion, and this is what I put to start, and then I leave it cooking, and then once this is cooked for a few hours, I come back and in the skillet I'm gonna cook. I'll show you later. I'm gonna cook the sausage, and then I'm gonna cook the ground beef. Make sure that I remove all the fat, and then I'll add it here and give it another stir and let it cook until the consistency is perfect, just how you like it. You have to taste it once in a while and see if you like it, if it needs a little more salt or whatever, but that's all there is to it. It takes a long time, but it's so worth it because it comes out so good cooking it in the crock pot. And this is the extra lean ground beef that I'm gonna cook in the skillet in the sausage. Once I cook it here, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right in the crock pot, and I'm gonna give it a nice stir. This is how it looks right now. It's starting to smell good. It still has ways to go for the beans to cook, but it's looking pretty good. This is how the ground beef looks, and I put it in there, and the sausage, I removed all this fat, and I also put it right here in the crock pot. And now I'm gonna let it cook. And here we are checking it. It's been about 5 hours now. I turned it too high about 2 hours ago. So let's uncover it and check it. It looks so good already. Oh wow, look at this. So delicious. My whole house smells so good. I love cooking on this too. It's like you set it and you go do what you gotta do, and when you come back, it's done. Well, this is not done, but you know what I'm saying. You put all the ingredients in there, and then once in a while just give it a nice stir and taste it, and let it keep cooking so all the flavors come together. I'm gonna give it a try. Oh my goodness, it is delicious. I'm gonna use a nice clean paper towel, and I'm just gonna pass it through the top to remove all this fat. I'm gonna let it cook maybe another hour or so. This is how I remove this fat on top right here. Use one there. Two, and I'll probably need one more. Much better. I have all this greasy stuff here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and shred some of the cheese to eat with the chili. And I'm gonna use my salad shooter. Lock it in place. Close this. Works so fast. Look at this. all this cheese, and I'm gonna serve me some chili. It is so good. Some chili and some cheese. And then you can serve it with crackers or just like this, however you like. And this is so delicious. Enjoy.